Hi guys, it's Lindsay here to unbox my August BoxyCharm. But really quickly, I'm going to give you a few life updates. My epidural injection worked. So far I'm having no pain, which is a life changer. I've enjoyed life since I've got it. I love life right now. Absolutely zero pain. And I love it. Really quickly before we unbox the products in my August BoxyCharm, I'm just going to run through the products that I got in my July BoxyCharm. First thing is this palette, and this palette is by Crown Brush. It's the Spuggo. It has some weird like Spanish or French name palette. She is beautiful. She is absolutely stunning. However, I haven't really used her that much because I've been using my Unique pressed eyeshadows. I'll put her here, that way you can see her better. I've been using some of my pressed eyeshadows and kind of forgot that I had this. This palette does not really impress me that much. I find the payoff to be good, but there's other palettes in my collection that are certainly better than this one. If you're looking for a good, like, warmish type palette and you don't really have a whole lot of warm palettes, I highly would recommend this one, but honestly, I'm not really impressed with it myself. It's what I have on my eyes today. I just have a couple mattes in the crease. I have this shade in the crease. I have this shade on the lid. I have this and this on the like outer corner of my eye. Yeah, I'm just really underwhelmed for this. This palette is okay. It's not my absolute favorite. I don't think I'll keep it in my collection. I'll probably give it away to someone. There's only like 2 products from my July BoxyCharm that I've been using like religiously because I just love them. And I'll show you the products that I'm underwhelmed by first. We have this Wonder Beauty Unleashed mascara, the Volume and Curl Mascara. This basically did nothing for my eyelashes. I'm wearing it today. It gives it a natural lash look. I'm not into that. Here's the brush on it. It has like this weird curl, like caterpillar wand, and it's almost like in a U-shaped wand. Yeah, I'm just not really impressed with it, and you'll have to check out my original video that I did on the July BoxyCharm for all the pricings on these particular items because I don't have them with me. But I'm just not really impressed with this mascara, to be honest. When I use a mascara, I want it to give me volume, and I want it to, you know, be able to hold a curl, which are 2 parts of this main mascara. I mean, it's in the name Curl and Volume Mascara, and I don't feel like it did that, to be honest. So I'm kind of disappointed by that, honestly. In the third product I'm kind of underwhelmed by, or to be honest, I kind of forgot I had this product. It's the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, Needles No More, No More Baggage like orange color correcting, ID puffing thingy. I forgot I had this, and I don't really have under eye bags, and I just don't see me spending the money on this or someone else spending the money on this. Maybe if you have like super duper dark circles, which I personally don't have myself. I'm only like, I'm a young adult. I don't really have under eye bags unless I don't really get like really good sleep at night. Yeah, I was underwhelmed by this, honestly. So then let's get to the products that I am actually real excited that I have and will continue to use in my collection. I have this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow cream. It has the cream on one side, the brush on the other. This makes it so easy to do my eyebrows when I go to work in the morning. It's what I have currently in my eyebrows right now. I love it. It's amazing. I would spend the money on this. I would recommend spending the money on this. It makes it so easy because you have your product on this end, then you have the brush on this end. I love this product. It's amazing. Then the final product, and the product I have been wearing honestly ever since I got this box, is this and the eyebrow cream. I've been wearing like a lot, just because they're easy to reach for and they're nice, pretty much neutral, everyday colors. This is a blush by Note Cosmetics. It's in the shade Desert Rose. I love this. It's the blush I have currently on my cheeks today. I love it. It's a nice peachy pink coral. Shades like this are really in. You think Melania Luminoso, NARS Deep Throat Blush. Those are shades like this. Yeah, I would recommend spending the money on Note Cosmetics because they're inexpensive. I believe this product is around $10 to $11. I love it. Yeah, I want to get more of these. I love them. So those are all the products I got in my July BoxyCharm. Let's unbox the August BoxyCharm. The theme this month is Live It Up. You get 20% off of Smashbox cosmetics with the code BOXY20, and you get 25% off Laura Lee Cosmetics Los Angeles. Laura Lee Los Angeles Cosmetics with the code LA Charm 25. I'll have them down below, I'll have them down below in the description box with my unique Facebook page. I'm now a unique presenter. Yeah, I sell unique now. So if you're wanting to try unique, if you're curious about it, I actually sell it, and I'll put my Facebook page down below. And I also have a Facebook page for this YouTube channel, and I'll put that down below to where you can join as well. Then let's jump into the box. The first thing we got, or the first thing I grabbed, is this brand's cuticle oil. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's ADESSE New York. It's their cuticle oil. Yeah, this is fun. It's different for BoxyCharm. I love it. I've been recently starting to get into regular nail polish again, and it'll be fun to, like, every time I switch up my nails up here, my fingernails up here. I do dip nails on these fingernails, and I do regular polish on my toenails. So this will be fun to have when I do my toenails. And I'm excited because it's different for BoxyCharm. From what I know, we've probably never seen something like this from BoxyCharm. And I'm excited. The next thing you get is House of Lashes. I've heard a lot about House of Lashes. Never have tried anything from this brand. I've heard of it, I just haven't tried it. And these are the Tempest pair. And they're like handmade, and you can get them on houseoflashes.com, and they're based out of California. I'm excited to try this. I never wear false eyelashes. This box is forcing me out of my comfort zone with several different items because you'll see, and I never wear false eyelashes, so I'm excited. They look really pretty and nice and fluffy, and I'm excited to try these. They're amazing, and I hope they're amazing because I've heard a lot of good things about this lash. You get 3 of these. Wonder Beauty, which Wonder Beauty we tried out last month. Like I said, I was underwhelmed by that mascara. These are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask. You get 3 of them. Yeah, I'm excited to try these out. I rarely do like any type of mask, whether it's face, foot, eye. Yeah, so it's a nice treat yourself item, and I'm excited that we have these in our box. And we have this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. This is a chocolate eyeliner, like a chocolate brown eyeliner. As you can see, it's a chocolate brown gel eyeliner. I love gel eyeliners. I have a black gel eyeliner in my collection. It's the Essence one. I love it. So I'm excited that I have a chocolate one. I've never heard of this brand. I've never heard of Bang Beauty. I am excited to try this out because I normally use pencil or gel eyeliner, which this will get used in my collection, no doubt. Like, I will use this so much. Like, I will use it. So, I'm excited. Yeah, Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for. I'm saving the best for last. This box is really getting me out of my comfort zone. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary triple tone lipstick, and my shade is in Berry Ombre. Here's what the lipstick container looks like. When I got my box, this was a little tiny bit melted, so we have been keeping it at room temperature to see if it will get unmelted, because it's a little bit melty if you keep products at room temperature. After a while, they've been melted for a while, like a tiny melt eventually, and they'll go back in shape. And I'm going to show you this product. As you can see, this product has 3 tones of lipstick in it. You have a darker like purple up there. You have like a lavender. You have like a lavender color, and then you have a pinky color. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. This box is getting me out of my comfort zone because I never do ombre lips, and I never wear purple lipstick on me, honestly. So this box is so getting me out of my comfort zone. Then I'm saving, like I said, I'm saving the best for last. which would be the eyeshadow. Real quickly, I'm just going to show you the outer packaging before I open it up. It's cute. She has her, like, Boss Girl palette, I think. It's either called Boss Girl or Boss Lady. She came out with 2 palettes that are this size, and I've never tried anything from Laura Lee Cosmetics, so I'm excited. I love it. And you can tell the outer packaging is adorable, and it's representative of the palette inside. The other one has neutrals because it's more neutral. This one is more colorful. And I love the logo. It's really cute. Then you have bright, beautiful, fun colors. Like you get a yellow and limeish green color. You get 2 blues. One's a more turquoisey blue, and one's a more like deep navy like blue color. You get an orange. You get a pink, and then you get a purple. I would have never bought something like this for me, honestly. And I'm thankful that I have it, so if I ever wanted to do bright, colorful looks, I have the electric palette. I have Kat Von D Sand Center. You know, this kind of reminds me of Urban Decay Electric. Honestly, I haven't pulled that palette out in a while, but it kind of reminds me of Urban Decay Electric. A little bit. Yeah. So if I ever wanted to do bright, colorful eye looks, this is a palette I would reach for, and you get, like, it's very small, easy to travel with, so if you do bright, colorful looks all the time, this would be really good and awesome. Yeah, this palette is awesome, and I've heard the quality is amazing on all of her palettes and all of her shadows. And I'm so thankful that many palettes are in right now, because these kind of palettes are my alley, and I love them. There's little coupons on the back of this. So you get coupons every month. They're different every month. I signed up for 3 months. The theme this month is Live It Up, like I said already. The Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette was $19. The House of lashes are $9 to $12, depending on what pair you choose, I'm guessing. The Smashbox assorted lip products, because everybody got something different, and as far as lip products, those would be $21 to $24 dollars, depending on which one you got. And the Wonder Beauty baggage claim eye masks are $13, and the Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner is $22, and the cuticle sweet almond cuticle oil is $18. So as you can see, it's over $100. I'll put the value, I'll add it up and put the value of everything in the description. Hope you guys have a good day whenever you're watching this video. I hope you guys have a good day. I love you. Bye.